Okay, got the starboard side dick that goes around the center console removed. And I guess I wasn't too surprised to see the water, but so kind of surprised to see how bad it is. That wood is saturated. The stringer is also saturated. There. Broke apart obviously pretty easy because they put the hole there, but still, even so. This whole thing that's pretty bad. So it kind of makes me wonder. I'll cut into it and kind of do some slices and see where it goes into, how far and whatnot. It was also good to learn how they built this too. Kind of reverse engineer for myself. This is the side right here. This portion right here is where they laid. This is the wood that the center console screwed down into. So that's what that's there for. And looks like they might have been off a little bit with their bolt holes, screw holes. This out here is just fiberglass. This is over here by the deck. So I'll cut through this and see how deep back this rock goes. Pretty wet right there. So, and then there's the rigging tube. The same area where this pulled out of right here, fairly full of water. It's probably only an inch or so down, but that's pretty wet for whatever reason. This is another rigging tube of some kind that wasn't used, at least in my application. That's wet too. So all this, get all this out. This is the bad side for sure. Every time I do something on the starboard side, it trickles water down. This over here seems in pretty good shape. But you can feel it's damp, which I imagine is probably normal. Yeah, I'm sure this down here is no good. So the next extraction begins. I'll finish this side up and learn from it before I do the other side. The cut went pretty well, so I was pretty happy with that. not sure how visible it is, but after removing everything on the starboard side, all the fiberglass had surface moisture on it, and up under the gunnel here, everything, there's all kind of moisture coming in, rolling down. Hopefully you can see that. So I don't know if that was weeping up or rolling down from above, but even the stuff up underneath that, you can see the dark water line or moisture line. Came out pretty easy, but still not without injury. Found some bad spots, but once I get all this cleaned up, we can take a better look at it. I think it's time for dinner. On to the port side.